Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix create sticker option not showing on Instagram. So if some features on your Instagram app are not working, not showing or missing, you can try to update your Instagram first by accessing the App Store or Play Store. You can search for Instagram and make sure your Instagram is updated. So if you already update your Instagram, do not open it yet. You have to go to your Instagram icon, application icon, hold it and tap on application info or app info. Tap storage usage. Now you can clear cache, and also you can consider to clear your data, but you need to relog in your Instagram account after you clear the data. Now you can open your Instagram and you can try to create your story first by tap on your story or tap plus button. Now create the story, and here tap on stickers option at the top of your screen and try to find cutouts sticker option, this one with the sizer icon. This is the cutout sticker. You can tap it. Now you can find the image that you want to create the stickers. This one, for example, this is the video, sorry. Let's try tap on the image. Now the sticker will automatically created by the application. You have to wait. If this sticker doesn't satisfy you, you can select manually. You can continue tapping until you completely capture your object. For best result, only select a single object. For example, this lamp. Now wait the process, and if you don't satisfy again, you can create your sticker again and again. And also now you can close your story. You can discard it. You can create stickers from someone a feed. For example, this is, you can tap on someone feed. If you tap three dot at the top of pause, you don't see stickers or create sticker option. It means you cannot use sticker on that feed post of that person. And this is the example, the post that you can create sticker by tap three dot at the top of the post. Here you can create cutout sticker by tap the option. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.